Welcome to The Explainer. Listen, today we're jumping right into something that is absolutely urgent. It's a universal struggle that affects almost every single one of us, literally every single day. If you've been feeling like your ability to concentrate is just slipping right through your fingers, I need you to know you are absolutely not alone. Today, we're going to look at exactly how to fix your attention span before it's too late.
You know the feeling, right? Why does a 10-minute video suddenly feel like it's just way too long to watch? You sit down to read a book, and 3 minutes later, boom, you're back on your phone checking notifications. And it's wild because you used to binge watch entire movies without a second thought. Now, you can barely make it through a short clip without wanting to fast forward. Well, it turns out this isn't a coincidence. This is a slow, systemic erosion of our cognitive stamina. And if we don't fix it right now, it's only going to get worse.
Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our roadmap for today. 1. The Vanishing Focus. 2. Your brain on dopamine. 3. The 5 silent attention killers. 4. Rebuilding your focus muscle. And 5. The focus advantage.
Moving to Section 2, your brain on dopamine.
Think about it like this. The digital pace is incredibly fast, it's easy, and it offers these repeatable dopamine hits. Your brain gets a tiny thrill every single time you swipe. But life space? Reading, doing deep work, having a real face-to-face conversation, or, simply waiting for your coffee without instantly staring at a screen? When real life asks us to slow down, our brains actually treat it like a punishment. It feels boring, unbearable, honestly even physically uncomfortable, all because we've retrained ourselves to crave constant, endless stimulation. Your attention span hasn't magically disappeared. Rather, every app and algorithm out there is just aggressively fighting for a piece of it.
Section 3. The 5 silent attention killers. Let's break these down.
Killer number 1. 7 to 15 seconds. That is the timeline of short-form content overload. We're talking Reels, Shorts, TikToks. Every 7 to 15 seconds, you are getting a fresh hit of stimulation. Your brain totally adapts to that exact rapid rhythm. So anything slower, it feels painfully dull. Research is actually showing that heavy users of short-form content experience measurable drops in sustained attention in just a matter of weeks. We are literally rewiring our brains for speed and completely abandoning depth.
Killer number 2 is a huge one, 23 minutes. This is the hidden cost of constant task switching. Look, we often think multitasking makes us highly efficient. Actually, scratch that. It doesn't at all. It totally fractures our focus into tiny little pieces. Every single time you switch between tasks, like, say, pausing deep work to answer a random Slack message about lunch, it costs your brain up to 23 minutes to fully recover its focus. If you're switching every few minutes, you are never actually focused. You're just endlessly recovering from the last distraction. Killer number 3, a massive 30% drop. We are talking about sleep debt here. Poor sleep doesn't just make you feel physically tired and groggy, it directly, aggressively weakens your prefrontal cortex. That's the exact part of your brain responsible for focus and decision-making. Just one single night of bad sleep can reduce your attention span by up to 30% the very next day. You're not lazy at 2 p.m. You are just completely sleep-deprived. All right, killer number 4. Blood sugar spikes and crashes. At minute 0, you have that sugary snack or maybe an energy drink. 20 minutes later, boom, you get a sharp focus spike. But for the next 2 entire hours, a severe energy crash. Your brain desperately requires stable, consistent glucose to operate optimally, not these scattered, chaotic sugar rushes. These constant spikes and crashes leave our attention completely scattered all day long. And killer number 5. 100% stimulation, 0% recovery. Basically, you never, ever let yourself be bored. Think about it, waiting in line, walking to your car, even waiting for the microwave to beep. It's instantly filled with a glowing screen. Boredom used to be this absolutely critical space where your brain processed, reset, and recharged. Now, it's basically an endangered species. Our brains never get the downtime they need to consolidate focus. No wonder we're completely burnt out.
Section 4. Rebuilding your focus muscle, the 5-step prescription.
Okay, so how do we actually fix this? Fix 1 is the Pomodoro Ladder, and this brilliantly illustrates how focus must be rebuilt gradually, just like a muscle at the gym. You simply cannot go from swiping 5-second videos to executing 2 hours of deep work overnight. It's not going to happen. Start incredibly small, 15 minutes of single-task focus, no phone, no extra tabs open. Then just add 5 minutes every few days. Within a month, you'll naturally sit through 45 to 60 minutes of deep, completely undistracted work.
Fix number 2. the 7 to 14-day short-form detox. Cut out short-form content temporarily. Now, you don't have to quit it forever, but giving yourself a week or two away from Reels and Shorts allows your brain's dopamine baseline to naturally reset. Most people report noticeably longer attention spans within just 1 week off the scroll. Your brain is going to heal faster than you think, but you must give it the chance to breathe.
Fix 3. Single tasking on purpose. Doing one thing fully, with one tab open and absolutely zero notifications, will actually get you more done in 30 focused minutes than 3 entire hours of scattered task switching. Multitasking might feel like productivity, but it is pure attention sabotage.
Fix 4. Protect your sleep like it is your actual job, because honestly, it is the absolute foundation of everything else. Aim for 7 to 8 hours on a consistent schedule, and really commit to no screens an hour before bed. A well-rested brain can sustain deep focus for hours on end, but a sleep-deprived brain, it literally cannot sustain it for minutes.
And finally, fix 5. Let yourself be bored. Seriously, do it on purpose. The next time you're waiting somewhere, just leave your phone in your pocket. Just sit there. Let your mind wander. This is not wasted time. It is absolutely essential recovery time. Boredom is the gym for your brain's focus muscle. We have to stop skipping leg day.
So the crucial point is bringing all of this together into a cohesive plan. Feel free to take a screenshot of this protocol. Implement the Pomodoro Ladder. Do a short-form detox, single task, protect your sleep, and let yourself be bored. Rebuilding your focus requires absolute consistency across all 5 of these areas.
Section 5. The focus advantage.
If there is one single thing to take away from this explainer, it's this. Your attention span isn't gone, it has just been hijacked. Focus is a rebuildable skill. Sure, it won't happen in a single day, but it won't take nearly as long as you fear. The very moment you stop feeding your brain constant noise, it remembers exactly how to go deep. And in a world where everyone else is hopelessly distracted, the person who can actually focus possesses an entirely unfair advantage.
Don't let your attention span become collateral damage of convenience. Let that sink in for a second. We have to take real responsibility for what we are feeding our minds. Reclaim your attention, just one focus session at a time. So what amazing things could you accomplish tomorrow if you reclaimed your focus today? Just think about the projects, the relationships, the life goals that are just waiting for your undivided attention. Reclaim it. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Next time, we're diving into exactly how to build unshakable discipline, even when your motivation completely disappears. You definitely won't want to miss it. See you then.